Good morning, students. Wish you all a very happy, healthy, and fruitful session. Students, before going to start the class, you need to know about the syllabus that will come in your exam and the book's name, and so that is prescribed by the university. So let's start with this name of the books and the contents and syllabus and the style of the paper. Okay, and first of all, I'll read the name of the book. The name of this book is A Reflection, and here are total 10 chapters, and these chapters are a combination of stories and essay. Okay, and here is first chapter and first essay's name is The Training of the Spirit, that is written by M.K. Gandhi. Second chapter, The Pleasures of Ignorance by Robert Lind. And the next one, What Animals Think of Man by George Orwell. Fourth chapter, My Educational Outlook by R.K. Narayana. And the next one, Grief, Anton Chekhov. And the next one, The Verger by Somerset Maugham. And the next one, Old Bapu by Mulk Raj Anand. And the next, Ranji's Wonderful Bat by Ruskin Bond. And the next one, Rory Aforesaid by John Brandin. And the last one, The Day of Atonement by Margaret Wood. These are the name of the chapter that is prescribed in your books. Names is reflection. Okay, and this is the part 1, and here is part B, and it consists of the remedial English grammar. And in this grammars topic, here is all the basic parts of the grammars. It may be, and the remedial English grammar, here is a topic of the article, superlative and adjective, and different types of degrees and verbs and etc. And the second one, paragraph, and the third one, letter and application. And next topic is English in situations. Next, these are the short topic, Right to Information Act 2005 and email writing. Okay, and these are the part of AA and part B, that is the text and the grammar. And the next one is students, with this page we know the syllabus and the paper pattern of your semester 1. And this your subject name will be of communicative English, paper name, and the syllabus will be of there in unit 1 to 5. And the total timing of your exam will be of 3 hours, and it will be consist of the two assessment marks, external and internal. And here will be of external marks will be of 80 marks, and internal assessment will be of 20 marks, and the minimum passing marks of this paper is 35. Okay, and this paper your paper will be of total 5 units, and you will do one question per unit. Okay, so in unit 1, that is one essay type question from the prescribed text. That means this is the long question, and this question will come in your all the 10 chapters that is prescribed in your book, and that's name is reflection. And the second question, that will be in choice 5 short answer type question from the prescribed text. Okay, and here you will attempt 5 questions, that will be a short question, and it also belongs to the book, that's name is reflection. Now come to the second unit, unit 2, comprehension passage from the prescribed textbook. Here is the one comprehension passage, this is the seen passage, not unseen. Okay, and this seen passage will come in your book reflection in all the essays and stories that is prescribed in book. Second, that question that will be in choice, and this question is based on the topic faxes. You will write a short note on faxes and emails and text message composing. That means how to write the emails here, what's the meaning and definition of the emails writing, what steps we should have to be we have to be taken at the writing of emails writing. Okay, the question will carry 3 parts, A, B and C, with question in all the 3 above mentioned items. And now come to the unit third, and unit third will consist of the all the grammar parts, and these grammar parts are articles, preposition, tenses, subject verb agreement, voice, tag questions, reported speech, comparative and superlative, that means the adjective. Okay, you will do the two parts of the comparative and superlative degrees, that is the part of the adjective. And you will do, these are the, you can clearly, these are the very basic and very easy topic of the of this grammar topic, but not it is based on the remedial English grammar that is prescribed in FT Wood book. Okay, we will do all that extra exceptional topics that will become in your grammar book. Okay, and the second question that will come in your choice, and this is the question is a paragraph of about 150 words on any one of the given topic. That means you will write a paragraph on the number of the topics that will be given in your exam, and you will do any one. And now come to the unit 4th. Unit 4th will be consist of the official letters application. Okay, it will be on choice. You can do any one topic. You can either do official letters or application. And the second part will be of this unit, English in situation. And this situation you will write the in question answer situational, that you will write someone ask the question and then you will give the answer, and that is the English in situation. And the topics will be greeting. Okay, and in the second one, in the post office, catching a train, at a bank, making a telephone call, buying vegetables, at the hospital, on the bus, etc. It means, and we have to be complete a number of other parts of the situational topics in this unit. Okay, now come to the unit 5th, and according to this unit 5th, this is the very very important unit, and because we will do thoroughly of this question, Right to Information Act 2005, and according to this topic we will prepare definition. What's the definition of the Right to Information Act 2005? What is the meaning, nature and scope of the Right to Information Act, and how to write the Right to Information Act, and what's the main content of the main question of the right RTI application based question. Okay, and these are the total 5 units of your question paper. And here in the bottom of this page you will see the textbook, and here is mentioned the name of the two books. First one of your prescribed books textbook, that's name is Reflection. Okay, and you can purchase it as soon as possible. And the second one book is this book is also available in the college library. You can easily find it there. And the name of this book is Remedial English Grammar by FT Wood. This is a very short and pocket book, we can say it pocket book. You can easily find it out in anywhere. You can either in any bookshop or in college library. Okay, hope so you clearly understand all these topics. And now tomorrow we will start our next topic.